Hi guys, once again here we have same Himel VFD, but this time round we are not going to run normally as we usually do. This one is a little bit different here because we are going to run through the potentiometer. Now I have to switch it on, and as you can see my connection is between ground, which I have denoted here by B, ground, digital input 1 I have denoted by B1, and digital input 2. So those two which are up here, they will go to the selector switch. This is just for switching on and off. Then we have the other one, you can see here 10B and 0. So the 10 is the source of the 10 amps down here. The 0 is the ground, and the 10B is the analog input 1. So that one will go to the potentiometer. So I will go the other side and show you. We have the and the potentiometer now. So as you can see from my drawing here, the potentiometer, you can call it a variable resistor or even rheostat. Your potentiometer you can select from 2.2 kilo ohm to 10 kilo ohm. Yeah. This is for the extract fan, and so this is our switching system where we shall switch on and off, and you can see the potentiometer there. I have put 0 to 100%, and there is an on-off. On-off is between B1 and B and B1. Then we have this, the 10 volts on extreme end, and the 0 volts on the extreme end. Then the potentiometer, the one which is going to the analog input 1, you take from the middle. Actually, we're in a company, Micropolis. It deals with robotics. This for the extract fan, this painting area. So that's why we're fixing this one for exhaust the paint when they are painting. So this is our potentiometer. As you can see, it has 3 legs. The middle one going to the analog input 1 extreme. Actually, this green color is the 10 volts, and this purple color is the 0, which is ground, and the middle one going to analog input 1. So I will show you how we're going about in programming. And our programs are here. This the acceleration is f1.11. The deceleration is f1.12. The full load amp of our motor is f3.02, which is 11.6 amps. The RPM is at f3.03, 1455 RPM. You can see all the programs here, and these parameters, the parameters that I'm going to set here. You can see the defaults are there, and the new settings, what I'm going to do. The new setting, this one actually should run command. When it is at 0, you do it from the pad. When it is 1, it's through the terminals. So I will show you once again. So my setting here, I will set as indicated here. That's what I'm going to set on my VFD. So VFD. I go in from there. I'll go f1.01. It's already 0. I set 1. Then I go f1.02 is 0 also. I'll set 1. Then I'll go f1.03 is set at 1, but I'll set 4 for the analog input. For the analog input 4. Then there is f6.01, it's set at 2, I'm going to set 32. f6.01 set at 2. I have to set up to 32.
You get done.
Then there is f6.13, that is for the relay. They usually set 1, one is for the fault. I'll set 7, I mean it's set at 17 fault. But in our case we are not interested in fault, we are interested in run, because we want to run this fan and to show from the indicator lamp that it is running. So I'll go f6.13 and set 1. Yeah, it's already at 17 and I set 1. Then I have to go and check on my acceleration, deceleration, full load amp, which is 11.6 amps. Our motor is 5.5 kilowatt. The RPM with the frequency and the voltage. Yeah. So I go f1.11. Yeah, we have set 6 seconds, no problem, that's okay. Deceleration 6 seconds, and F3 3.02. Yeah, actually it's the same setting. Our motor is 11.6 amps. Yeah, it's the same setting here. It's okay. We are not going to do any changes. Then we shall go RPM. RPM is 1460. In our case, it's 55. 1455. So yeah, we go to the frequency 3.04. It's 50. That one is okay. Then we check the voltage f3.05. Yeah, we can 3 to 400 is the same, no problem. It's a little difference. Yeah, and I think we are done with our program. Then we shall just do this testing through the switch and we see whether it is run or not. So we are going to the selector switch. We check. So we have our selector switch and our potentiometer here. So I will do a part 2 of testing when it is running. It will be very short. Okay.